So every single time I need to scan a network, my brain goes, now I have to open VirtualBox, wait for Kali Linux to load, then enter the password, then run the terminal, and then type the command for Nmap and wait for the result. So I thought, why not just run Nmap directly on Windows? Today I will show you two quick ways to set it up without touching Kali Linux. Method 1 is the fastest. Just open your command prompt and type this command. Hit enter and within few seconds download and installs automatically right into your Windows terminal. No waiting, no VM required. Now just hit the command nmap-v for the version and test with the testing IP, which is the nmap scan me IP. And if you don't want to use that command, method 2 is using the official website. Go to nmap.org, download the official setup file, click on Windows and hit the nmap setup exe file. Wait for download. Run this file and you can use this in terminal, same like the first method. And if you don't want to use command line, this method is using the GUI method. The best part, it automatically includes the Zenmap, the official GUI for the Nmap. So just hit enter in the Windows and search for Zenmap. It will open and just write the target IP address and choose the option you want to. I will select quick scan and just scan. No need of command line. So no more waiting for virtual machine, just do simple network scan. If you want a cheat sheet of Nmap commands, I will give you in the description. Just comment down below. And if you want to recover the deleted data, watch this video. If you are unable to merge the C and D drive, watch this video.